In Python, how do I check if a string has alphabets or numbers? If the string has an alphabet or a number, return true. Otherwise, return false. I have to do this, right?
Use the string.asalnum method.
If you want to check if all characters are alphanumeric, string.isalnum, as Adjurtersa pointed out, or bool re.match az0-9 plus $, the string re.ignore case. If you want to check if at least one alphanumeric character is present, or bool re.search az0-9, the string re.ignore case.
It might be a while, but if you want to figure out if the string had at least one alphabet or numeral, we could use
If you want to boil it down, please consider lighting as subscribing.